students, myself Nilay Parekh. In today's session, we are going to discuss about more thing about pointers. In today's session, we will discuss what is void pointer and what is pointer to pointer with syntax, explanation and a simple example. First, let's discuss about what is void pointer. First of all, what is a simple pointer? When one variable holds the address of another variable is called pointer variable. But in this definition, the pointer variable and the normal variable must have a same data type. Means what? If our pointer variable has integer data type and our normal variable I will declare as a float data type, so we cannot store the address of that normal variable into the integer data type pointer variable. So for that, this problem can be solved with the help of void pointer. As void pointer is named as a generic pointer, it is used to store or point the address of any data type variable. Means what? The declaration is as simple, as common as a normal pointer variable. Means what? In a simple or regular pointer variable, we declare data type, space, star and pointer variable name. In void pointer, we will declare void, space, star and pointer variable name. Let's discuss this one example. We declare two variables, one pointer variable and another regular variable. Integer star p, integer I, float f. So we can store the i's address in pointer variable as I and p has the same data type. But if we want to store a float variable, the address of float variable in integer data type, we cannot. It will give us compiler error. So for that, we have to or we need to declare that pointer variable as a void. So we can store any address or any variable address in the pointer variable name. So this is the pointer void pointer. Another example is pointer to pointer variable. The another name of this pointer to pointer variable is a double pointer. If we are declaring star and pointer variable name, that is called a simple pointer. And when we are declaring two star, it is called a double pointers. Means what? A pointer variable which holds the address of another variable is called a pointer variable. And when a pointer variable holds the address of another pointer variable is called a pointer to pointer variable. And for declaration, we need to write two star to declare a double pointer or pointer to pointer variable. Now let's understand with our simple C program. Please stay focused on screen. The aim of the program is write a program to find the sum of two numbers using pointer to pointer or double pointer. First of all, we will declare our header file, hash include stdio.h, hash include kono.h, then our main function. We declare some variables, integer a equals to 10, comma star b, that is our regular pointer, comma star star c, that is our double pointer, comma star p, that is our regular pointer, comma star star q, that is our double pointer, comma r equals to 5, regular pointer and sum. B equals to address of A, C equals to address of B, P equals to address of R and Q equals to address of P. Now this can happen only because all variable has the same data type. Sum equals to star star C plus star star Q. Printf, the sum of two number equals to percentage sum and the program is over. Now let's understand the output. Sum of two number equals to 15. So how 15 will come? Let's understand with the compilation. A equals to 10. Let us suppose the A address is 100. R equals to 5. Let us suppose R address is 400. So in B, we perform
address of A. So in B, value 100 will be stored and 200 is its address. We write P equals to address of R. So 400 will store in P and P has its own address 500. In C, we wrote C equals to address of B. So the address of B, that is 200, will store in C and the C has its own address 300. And in Q, we write address of P. So 500 is stored in Q and Q has its own address 600. So at the end, star star C means what? Star in bracket star C means B and star B means a 10. So star star C is equals to 10. Star star Q equals to star in bracket star Q. Star Q is P, then star P is 5, then star star Q equals to 5. So sum equals to 10 plus 5 equals to 15.
So in today's session we discuss void pointer and pointer to pointer. So this is it. We are signing off for today. Thank you.